Hey everyone! Today we are exploring the LOVEVOOK 40L travel backpack for your next big adventure. This flight-approved bag fits perfectly under airplane seats or inside overhead bins to save you valuable time. You get a massive 40-liter capacity featuring expandable storage and 2 included packing cubes for organization. A dedicated padded compartment safely holds a 17-inch laptop while keeping all your tech essentials very secure. Elegant gold zippers and water-resistant fabric combine high-end fashion with rugged durability for any travel weather. Breathable shoulder straps and a hidden anti-theft pocket ensure you stay comfortable and safe during long trips. This versatile backpack is the ultimate companion for modern travelers who value style and practical storage solutions. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.